My therapist will not agree, but this is where we are. Girl, when they said planning a wedding was hard, I should have believed them. But you know what's been helping me is a little bit of retail therapy. Now, I really don't need to be doing this extra shopping, but at this point, I'm just summing it up to the game. The amount of money we already spent on the wedding, might as well just add the bag to it at this point. Mini Wallace. I saw the black, the white, and the red online, and I really wanted something that was a base color. It is a 2-in-1, so you can get it almost like, you know, like a shoulder bag, clearly, which I love. And then unhook it, and then unhook it. And then you can push it, and then you can click it into place. Hold on, I think it's a little better here. It's my first time like playing with this, so bear with me, loves. Oh, there. So yeah, you get like another little look, and as you fill it up, I love that it's gonna slouch over time. Absolutely love that it has little feet, I guess you would call these, like little things that it would sit on, and it is gold. Love a little detail. But overall, I just wanted a daily bag that I could wear with literally anything, like exactly what I'm wearing right now. You can carry it like this, and then obviously, like I said, you can take it and put it as a shoulder bag, which is probably how I wear it the most, to be honest with you. But yeah, I feel like whenever I'm stressed, I'm just gonna go touch it now. Like, it's great to relieve that stress with something new, not healthy. Something about it just gives me joy, sparks joy. So yeah, my therapist will not agree, but this is where we are. So let's do a little unboxing with you. Bye.